Hi, I'm Kellen Mouw from Almost Heaven Saunas. Thank you for joining us for this week's Sauna Session. Today, I'm going to be answering a very common question that we hear, and that is, can I replace my cardiac workout with a sauna? I like this question because it gets to the heart of the health benefits of sauna use. As the sauna temperature increases, your body temperature increases. This increase in body temperature causes your heart rate to go up, and this increase in heart rate induces an increase in your respiratory rate. All of this is a mini workout. Your muscles are working harder and faster than they normally would, all while you're relaxing and enjoying the sauna experience. However, we would never encourage anybody to replace their cardiac workout with a sauna. A runner training for a race by sitting in a sauna daily instead of running daily would find that they made a terrible error on race day. Many health-conscious people, however, do incorporate a sauna routine into their workout routine. Not only do they benefit from the further workout that the mini workout has to offer, they benefit from the relaxing, detoxifying, and cleansing nature of the sauna experience. They're ready to go for the next race and the next day. I hope this has answered the question, and if anybody has any other questions that they would like answered over the phone or even here in another sauna session, please give us a call, 888-355-3050, or visit us on the web at almostheaven.com. Thank you for joining us this week, and we'll see you at the next sauna session.